My name's Anh. Can you talk about you? My name's Anh.
My name is Dũng.
Can you tell me about your age, class, school?
My school is focused at the King Street.
What?
I'm class 40.
In class.
I'm in class 40.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is 17th of September.
What can you do?
I can play the football.
I can play football. What do you like doing?
I like play football. I like play football.
I like playing.
I like playing football.
Who do you play in football with? Nghe bạn nha. Who do you play in football with?
I play in football with my friend.
Yes. What subject do you have today? What subject do you have on Monday? Sorry. I have
subject. Do you?
I have subject.
I have
Oh, no,
subject.
I have
I have subject on Monday is math, English, history, science.
I have math, English and science on Monday. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
What did you do yesterday?
I played football.
I played
football.
Okay. Tell me, what is she doing?
She is skipping.
Yes. Go on. What's the date?
Is
The
16th of May.
Yes. Go on.
Is
The
12th of April.
Yes. When is her birthday?
Is her birthday.
Her birthday or it's on?
Her birthday is on 29th of November.
When is? What is the date? Sorry. What is the date?
Is 17th of June. Is 12th of April.
What is he doing?
He is
Ngọc ơi,
playing
sao chị nhờ đi?
the computer games.
Computer games. Computer games. Thank you. You finish.